The EVEAGE 2024 Upgrade Electric Pressure Washer delivers a powerful cleaning performance with its ability to produce up to 4,200 pounds per square inch of water pressure and 2.8 gallons per minute of water flow, making it capable of quickly and easily handling the toughest debris. This pressure washer is incredibly versatile, coming with various nozzles and attachments that allow for the adjustment of pressure and spray pattern according to the specific cleaning task. The three general-purpose nozzles provide a range of pressure options from ultra-high pressure for hard surfaces to medium pressure for softer surfaces and low pressure for delicate surfaces. The EVEAGE pressure washer also features a total stop system that automatically shuts off the pump when the trigger is not in use, conserving energy and extending pump life. Operating this pressure washer is a breeze, with user-friendly controls, a clear instruction manual, and a straightforward setup process that gets the machine ready to use in no time. Despite its powerful performance, the EVEAGE pressure washer is priced at $219.99, and with a review score of 4.8 out of 5, it offers great value for money.